Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there used to be a beautiful village in the middle of the mountains. In that village, there was an ancient grey stone, and the stone was called as the listening stone. It was believed that the stone could solve any problem, but only if you sat before it and poured your heart out. If you need a solution to your problem, you have to talk to the stone. People from faraway lands came to the stone, sat before it, and shared their sorrows, frustrations, and dreams. And strangely, most of them went back happily. People from all walks of life, people from all age groups, people with all kind of problems used to visit the stone and talk to it. One day, a traveler from a faraway land visited the village and he came to know about the ancient stone. He was surprised to know its power. He asked one of the elders of the village, "What is so special about this stone? What magic does the stone do?" The elderly person smiled and said, "There is no magic. The stone just listens to people without interrupting, without judging, and without giving any advice. By doing so, it helps people to hear their own words clearly." The traveler had understood that listening, truly listening, is the greatest gift that even the greatest of the greatest human couldn't offer. He returned home happily and determined to be the listening stone for others and change his relationships and the community. He met many people in between, and when they were talking to him, he made sure that he was the listening stone. He had such a great sense of relief. And after the beautiful journey, the traveler returned to his home happily and with a lot of satisfaction. The villagers continued to teach their children about the listening stone. They meditated sitting around the stone. Children showed their gratitude by offering flowers to the stone. The amazing journey that the traveler had, the profound knowledge that the traveler gained, the kind of respect the village people gave to the listening stone shows us how important it is to be a good listener. The moral of the story is true understanding comes from listening without judgment.